Do you think you'll get a chance to cook for Luxiem? The place we're staying at right now doesn't actually have anything like any cooking utensils. So unfortunately, I can't cook for the rest of the Luxiem boys. I know it's pretty sad, right? I can't cook for them. I wanted to cook for Shu, man. I wanted to cook like a burger for him or something. What do you mean, thank God? What do you mean, thank God? I wanted to cook a burger for Shu. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with you guys? I said I wanted to do that. That's not saved. You fucking assholes. You fucking assholes. All right, whatever. What else are we on? Was it really that bad at cooking food? No, I don't think I'm that bad at cooking food, actually. I think I'm pretty decent at cooking food. The thing is, you guys only see what I want you to see, okay? And I show you guys the bad side. But if I actually try, I think I can cook something decent. If I actually try. I can. You know what? The people who say copium, guess what? You're never gonna have my food. Never, ever. Everyone else, though, who believe me, you get to have a taste, okay?